Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 11th standard state board, chapter 3, trigonometry, exercise 3.1. See here, 7th sum. If x equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta, y equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta, and z equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta sin power 2n theta. Then theta lies in the interval, open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Show that x, y, z equal to x plus y plus z. See, first you can take it as in the sum itself they have given the hint. See, 1 plus x square plus x cube etc. up to infinity, it gives 1 by 1 minus x. It's nothing but 1 minus x whole power minus 1 equal to 1 by 1 plus x, 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. up to infinity. Okay, it is a binomial expression. See here, see, I can take it as first x equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos 2 power n theta, cos 2 power n theta, summation of the series. So you can substitute the value for n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. See here, x equal to cos 2 into 0 theta plus cos 2 into cos 2 power 1 into theta plus cos 2 power 2 into theta plus cos 2 power 3 into theta plus etc. up to infinity. So what is this? X equal to anything to the power 0, the value is 1. Anything to the power 0, the value is 1. 1 plus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus etc. up to infinity. See here, see, I will write in this x equal to 1 plus cos square theta. That cos power 4 theta I will write it as cos square theta the whole square plus cos square theta the whole square. Then what is it, the next one? Cos power 6 theta. What we are going to do? Cos square theta the whole cube, cos square theta the whole cube plus etc. up to infinity. It's nothing but, see here, 1 plus x square plus x cube etc. infinity. So it gives 1 by 1 minus x. What is the value of x here? Cos square theta. X equal to 1 by 1 minus x square is nothing but what? Cos square theta. It gives 1 by, what is the trigonometric identity for 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. Okay. See, x equal to 1 by sin square theta, 1 by x equal to sin square theta, 1 by x equal to sin square theta. Next you can take it as y equal to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity sin 2 power n theta. The same way you can proceed. What is the answer you are getting? Similarly you can get the value of, see here, if you want you can write sigma, so n equal to 2 power 0 into theta plus sin 2 power 1 into theta plus sin 2 power 2 into theta, sin 2 power 2 into theta. It moves on like this. The same way what we have proceed in the cos theta, the same way we can proceed for sin theta also. So what is the value we are getting? Y equal to 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, y equal to 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. It gives 1 by cos square theta. But you want the value of cos square theta? Y equal to 1 by y equal to cos square theta. 1 by y equal to cos square theta. See here, suppose 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to, what is 1 by x? Sin square theta. What is 1 by y? Cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Suppose x plus y. X plus y. See here, x value is what? 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. Y value is, what is y value? 1 by cos square theta. 1 by sin square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. See here, take the LCM, cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta cos square theta. So it gives, what is the value for cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. You can split the term. It gives 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta. 1 by sin square theta is nothing but what? 1 by sin square theta. It's nothing but x. 1 by sin square theta is nothing but x. 1 by cos square theta is nothing but y. So it gives x into y, you can take it as 1. X into y, you can take it as 1. Is it equal to, n tends to n, you can substitute the value of n equal to 0. So what is the result? 1 plus, straight away I can write cos power 2 theta sin power 2 theta, the cos power 2 theta sin power cos square theta sin square theta cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta the whole square plus etc. See here the same way what we have proceed for x and y value also, z also the same thing. See here z equal to the same thing, 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. 1 by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. So see here 1 by 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but what? 1 by x. Sin square theta is nothing but what? 1 by y. Is that equal to? Cos square theta is nothing but 1 by x. Sin square theta is nothing but what? 1 by y. Is that equal to 1 by, you can take the LCM, xy minus 1 by xy minus 1 by xy. You bring that xy to the next side. What is the value we are getting here? See, z into xy. See here, you reciprocal the term equal to xy by xy minus 1. You can cross multiply the value z into xy minus 1 equal to xy. Now I multiply the value zxy minus z equal to xy. Zxy minus z equal to xy. So zxy equal to xy plus z. Xy plus z. Zxy equal to xy plus z. We already proved x plus y equal to xy. We already proved x plus y equal to xy. So zxy equal to x plus y plus z from 1. So what is the proof? X plus y plus z equal to xy z. Hence we arrived the result. See the eighth sum. If tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square, show that secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta, we have to prove it's equal to 2 minus k square whole power 3 by 2, and you should find out the value, suitable value of k also. See here, first I can take it as tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square. I need the identity, so add 1 on both the sides. 1 plus tan square theta, add 1 on both the sides. Add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus 1 minus k square. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. It gives 2 minus k square. But I need the value of secant theta alone. See here. Secant square theta whole power 1 by 2. Square root of whole power 1 by 2 equal to 2 minus k square whole power 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is the result here? See, secant theta equal to 2 minus k square whole power 1 by 2. Then you can take this one. See, what is that? Secant theta plus tan cube theta into secant theta plus tan cube theta. See here, secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosecant theta it gives, what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is nothing but what? 1 by cos theta plus tan cube theta is nothing but sine by cos. So sine cube theta by cos cube theta. What is cosecant? What is the inverse of cosecant? 1 by sine. 1 by sine theta. It get cancelled. What is the result? See here. It gives 1 by cos theta plus sine square theta by cos cube theta. Now you can take the LCM. What is the LCM here? Cos cube theta is the LCM. Already cos theta is there. So you can multiply cos square theta plus sine square theta. What is the value of cos square theta plus sine square theta? It gives 1 by cos cube theta. What is 1 by cos? Secant. 1 by cos is nothing but what? Secant cube theta. 1 by cos is nothing but secant cube theta. See, 1 by cos cube theta equal to secant cube theta. So secant theta the whole cube. I will write it as secant theta the whole cube. This is 1. From 1 you can substitute the value for secant theta equal to 2 minus k square whole power 1 by 2. It gives 2 minus k square whole power 1 by 2 the whole cube. What is the result? 2 minus k square whole power 3 by 2. Hence the proof. Then you move on to check the value of k. Which value of k holds for tan k value? See here, if theta equal to 0. If theta equal to 0, what is tan 0? Tan 0 equal to 0. What is the value of tan theta? Tan theta, what is the value of tan theta is given in the question? 1 minus k square. So 1 minus k square equal to 0. Minus k square equal to minus 1. K equal to, which implies k equal to plus or minus 1. Then you can take the value of, because the interval is given as 0 to pi by 2. So you can take it as theta equal to 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? Tan 45 equal to 1. What is the value of tan theta? Tan theta what is given? 1 minus k square. 1 minus k square equal to 1. Minus k square equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. So k square equal to 0. K equal to 0. Next you can take it as theta equal to 90 degree. If theta equal to 90 degree, k is not defined because tan 90 is what? Tan 90 degree equal to infinity. So k is not defined. K is not defined. So k can takes the value between, see here, k belongs to the interval, closed interval between minus 1 comma 1. In between 0 value is there. So minus 1 comma 1. So k holds the value closed interval minus 1 to 1. See, Ninth sum, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, you should obtain the values of secant theta, tan theta and sin theta in terms of P. It is in terms of P. First you can take it as secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Okay, you know the identity, trigonometric identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B equal to 1. You know very well the value of secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. It is given in the question itself. So, P into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. This you can take it as the first equation and this you can take it as the second equation. Solved by elimination method. See here, secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Solved by elimination method. See, straight away I can cancel the term tan theta minus tan theta. What is the remaining thing? See here, 2 secant theta. Secant theta plus secant theta is nothing but what? 2 secant theta equal to P plus 1 by P, because I should add 1 and 2. Okay. So, 2 secant theta equal to, you can take the LCM. LCM means what? P square plus 1 by P. You can take the LCM. P square plus 1 by P. Secant theta equal to P square plus 1 by 2P. Secant theta equal to P square plus 1 by 2P. See here. If you want, you can substitute the value of secant theta equal to P square plus 1 by 2P here, or you can subtract these two equations, you get the value. Whichever you feel easy, you can take that thing. Okay. I will subtract these two things. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to P. Subtract, that is 1 minus 2. Subtract. So, minus secant theta. See, secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Subtract minus secant theta plus tan theta equal to minus 1 by P. See here, 1 minus 2. 1 is secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Can subtract this value. So, minus secant theta plus tan theta equal to minus 1 by P. So, what is the result? Cancel this thing. 2 tan theta equal to P minus 1 by P. P minus 1 by P. The same way you can take the LCM. See here, 2 tan theta equal to P square minus 1 by P. You can take the LCM. P square minus 1 by P. Tan theta equal to P square minus 1 by 2P. So, whatever question is given, what question is given here? See, tan theta, secant theta and sin theta in terms of P. So, you can take it as sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but what? Sin theta equal to tan theta by secant theta. How? You can see in the upper column. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. So, cos theta get cancelled. What is the result? Sin theta. So, sin theta you will write in such a manner, tan theta by secant theta. What is tan theta? P square minus 1 by 2P. What is secant theta? P square plus 1 by 2P. So, 2P get cancelled. What is the result? It gives P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So, it is the value of sin theta. See, 10th sum. If cot theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4m and cot theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4n, prove that m square minus n square the whole square equal to mn. See here, you can take it as 4m equal to cot theta into 1 plus sin theta, squaring on both the sides. So 16m square, squaring on both the sides, 16m square equal to cot square theta into 1 plus sin theta the whole square. Okay, the same way you can take it as 4n. 4n equal to cot theta into 1 minus sin theta. Cot theta into 1 minus sin theta. This one you can take it as 1. See, the same way you can squaring on both the sides. See, 16n square equal to cot square theta into 1 minus sin theta the whole square. Take it as 2. 1 minus 2. What is that 1 minus 2? See, 1 minus 2 equal to 16m square minus 16n square equal to cot square theta into 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus cot square theta minus cot square theta into 1 minus sin theta the whole square. I can take it as cot square theta out. See here, see, it gives cot square theta. I can take it out. What is the remaining thing here? 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 minus sin theta the whole square. 1 minus sin theta the whole square. You know the formula, you know the identity of a plus b the whole square. See here, cot square theta into a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is it clear? Okay, it gives cot square theta. It gives cot square theta into 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta. You multiply minus inside, it gives minus 1 plus 2 sin theta minus sin square theta. Sin square theta get cancelled and 1 get cancelled. What is the result? Cot square theta into 4 sin theta. See, 16 into m square minus n square equal to cot square theta. What is cot square theta? Cos square theta by sin square theta into 4 sin theta. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. Sin theta. So what is the result? M square 4 into m square minus n square equal to cos square theta by sin theta. So m square minus n square. M square minus n square equal to cos square theta by 4 sin theta. 4 sin theta, squaring on both the sides. So m square minus n square the whole square equal to, squaring on both the sides, cos power 4 theta by 16 sin square theta. You can take it as 3. You can take it as 3. See, m square minus n square equal to cos power 4 theta by 16 sin square theta. Next, you should tell 4 into mn. 4 into mn, because that is the proof. 4 into mn equal to 4 mn equal to cot theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cot theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cot theta into 1 minus sin theta. It is given in the question itself. Okay. See, 4m into 4n. It is given in the question 4m equal to cot theta into 1 plus sin theta, 4n equal to cot theta into 1 minus sin theta. It is given in the question itself. So it gives 16mn equal to cot theta. Cot theta into cot theta is nothing but what? Cot square theta. A plus b into a minus b you can use as the identity. A square minus b square. So it gives 1 minus sin square theta. What is the value of 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So cot square theta into cos square theta. Cot square theta into cos square theta. What is cot square theta? See here, cot square equal to cos square theta by sin square theta. Cos square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. So it gives cos power 16mn equal to cos power 4 theta by sin square theta. What is the value of mn? Mn equal to cos power 4 theta by 16 sin square theta. You can take it as 4. 3 equal to 4. See here, 3 equal to 4. 3 equal to 4. What is the proof? What is 3 equal to 4? M square minus n square the whole square equal to mn, hence the proof. Sri Guru Namaha children, see, this is 11th standard state board, exercise 3.1, chapter 3, 11th sum. If cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to a cube and secant theta minus cos theta equal to b cube, then prove that a square b square into a square plus b square equal to 1. First I will take it as a cube equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. Cosecant theta minus sin theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but what? 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. So you can take the LCM. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So it gives cos square theta by sin theta, that is a cube equal to, what is the value of a? Taking cubic root on both the sides, what is the value we are getting here? See, a cube whole power 1 by 3 equal to, a cube whole power 1 by 3 equal to cos square theta whole power 1 by 3 by sin theta whole power 1 by 3, whole power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. A equal to cos power 2 by 3 theta by sin power 1 by 3 theta. See, sin square theta you will write as sin theta the whole square. The same way we can write it here. Sin theta whole power 1 by 3 equal to sin power 1 sin 1 by 3 theta. Similarly, you can get the same answer for B also. If you want, you can do. Okay. Similarly, sin 2 power 3 theta by cos 1 by 3 theta. Cos power 1 by 3 theta. What is they are given? A square b square into a square plus b square equal to a square b square into a square b square, a square plus b square equal to, see here, a square cos 2 by 3 theta by sin 1 by 3 theta the whole square into b sin power 2 by 3 theta by cos 1 by 3 theta the whole square into a square plus b square, a square plus b square cos 2 by 3 theta by sin 1 by 3 theta the whole square plus sin 2 by 3 theta by cos 1 by 3 theta the whole square, you can put a bracket. Okay, see here, it gives, see here, power a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. You know the indices. Okay, indices formula, that is exponential. You will write it here. Cos power 4 by 3 theta. Cos power 4 by 3 theta by sin power 2 by 3 theta. Sin power 2 by 3 theta into the same thing, sin power 4 by 3 theta. 2 2s are 4, sin power 4 by 3 theta by 2 1s are 2, cos power 2 by 3 theta into, see here, into, see, cos power 4 by 3 theta by sin power 2 by 3 theta, sin power 2 by 3 theta plus sin power 4 by 3 theta, sin power 4 by 3 theta by cos power 2 by 3 theta, cos power 2 by 3 theta. See, it gives, you can write that cos 4 by 3 the whole theta is cos 2 by 3 the whole theta the whole square by sin power 2 by 3 theta. The same way you can write sin 2 by 3 the whole square by cos 2 by 3 the cos 2 by 3 theta. Cos 2 by 3 theta, see here, it get cancel. Okay, see that you can take the LCM. You can take the LCM of these two. See here, what is the LCM? Sin 2 by 3 theta into cos 2 by 3 theta. Sin 2 by 3 theta into cos 2 by 3, cos multiplication, cos 4 by 3 theta into cos 2 by 3 theta plus sin 4 by 3 theta into sin 2 by 3 theta. Okay, see here, it gives cos 2 by 3 theta into sin 2 by 3 theta. If bases are same, we can add the powers. Okay, so what is the rest? See here, 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, it gives 6 by 3. When I cancel, the answer is 2. So cos 4 by 3 theta into cos 2 by 3 theta, it gives cos square theta. Because you add the powers 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 3 is the common denominator, 4 plus 2, the answer is 6, 6 by 3, that is square, cos square theta plus the same way sin square theta by sin 2 by 3 theta, sin power 2 by 3 theta into cos power 2 by 3 theta, get cancel. What is the final result? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, hence the proof.